guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Olu Ashisi and this is my personal channel where I talk about fashion, slightly lifestyle and everything in between that happens in my life. I also have another channel which I did like a little swap and update recently. That other channel is Software Academy, and there I do strictly sewing tutorials, drafting tutorials, fashion in general, every single thing you need to know about fashion before coming into the fashion industry. As a beginner, intermediate, and even as an advanced student, you're going to find on my second channel. I'll put the link on this particular video so that you can go to the description box, and I'm going to put a link there so that you can follow the family if you want to learn all those things I just mentioned. And yeah, I'm starting a series on this channel where I'll be reviewing other fashion YouTube channels to help fashion designers like me and just see what is wrong with your channel and what we can do to fix it together. I also have general fashion content creation classes I just started, and I'll be doing them every month. I already have the first batch of class and the registration is closed, but when the registration comes up again, I'm going to let you guys know. So after saying all that, let's go to why we're watching this video today. This video is not a fashion video, it's something different, and I am just going to be doing a little unboxing of some beauty and skincare materials here. You see how big this bag is and how full it is. Every single thing here is skincare and beauty products, and some of them were sent to me by my sister and my mom. And why some of them here, I got them myself. Let me just show you guys. So basically this video is unboxing skincare and beauty products, fashion designer edition, and so it's just giving, I like it, it's giving what's in the bag. Don't mind me that I'm talking too much. So let's start from the bigger ones to the little ones. This is a, well, let's say unbagging, same thing. This is a nail dryer. That's what I call it, but here it's an intelligent phototherapy machine, and I'm sure you know what it's for. If you're a lady and you fix nails, that's what I used for my nails. So I noticed that I'm the kind of person that I fix nails a lot. I spend a lot of money fixing my nails, and some of the nails are just like really basic that I feel like I can't do. And so I decided to get this. This is a gel nail polish drying machine. So I got the small one just to be, in case I need to do like a quick fix of my nails at home. Yeah, that is it. That's the first thing in this box. And if you want to like know the prices or where I got them, just let me know and I'll give you like description. But this one I got it at trade fair in Lagos, trade fair, and I got it for less than 6k. I can't remember the exact amount, but less than 6k. Now the next one on the list, this one was sent by my mom and sister. I just hope you saw this one up close because I know I'm far away from this video. This one was sent by my mom and sister, and this is actually a set of body sprays, body mist, and it smells so good. I've opened it already, let me know like, but I decided to do like an unboxing on camera. The name of it is Aero Postel for her. That's the name. Yeah, and this is what it has 4. I already removed one. It has 4 let me try them. I tried them, I already know my favorite already. So it has 4 just different flavors, blushing, body mist basically. And yeah, and I really love it because it's cute. I'm never going to lie, they're really cute. They're giving this little, you can just throw it in your handbag for when you are going out and things like that. So this is 2. Now the next one, I think this is my favorite thing in this box. Let me bring it close so you can see it. This is my favorite thing in this box. So it is called Morgan and Grace. I just hope it's clear. Morgan and Grace coconut and shea coconut and shea self-care set. It has body scrub, it has body butter, it has body mist and shower sponge. So it's like a 4-in-1 set. And you open it up. So I'm coming. Open. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm not very careful. So for this is a body scrub, coconut and shea body scrub, and then this is body butter, still coconut and shea. So it's basically coconut and shea butter product. And this is the sponge. I love this sponge. I love it. It's giving squeaky. I love this sponge. Like it's very, very soft, and so I think it's obviously to be able to scrub the face, because you don't need something harsh to scrub your face. And the last but not the least is the after sun body mist. This one smells so nice. It's the after sun body mist. So that's all I have in this set. And don't mind me, as I'm scratching, I'm unboxing the bag because it's just cute to just leave open and leave hanging like that. So yeah, this is the third thing in my beauty bag. Now the next thing here, I have 2 sheets of facial masks. I have 2 sheets of facial masks. One is tea tree and one is rose facial mask. But there are 2. And that's the next thing in my bag. So the next thing in my bag, I love this product. This one, it was also sent to me by my mom and sister, and it was like 3. It's not even 3. There are so many, but this is like a 3-in-1 set. This is my best. It's Bath and Body Works. That's the product, and this is my best. It has hyaluronic acid and shea butter mixed together, and it smells so good, guys. I've been using it. It smells really good, and the reason why I like it is because my favorite skincare product is hyaluronic acid, because it gives my skin this moisture since I have a dry skin, and that's my favorite, and it is in this product. Why this one is peach sunrise flavor. It has shea butter, cocoa butter, and jojoba oil. This one has shea butter, cocoa butter, and jojoba oil. Also is watermelon splash. So these 3 were sent to me by my sister and mom, and I love their smell, especially this one. The smell is divine. Now, what is in my bag? So the next thing, this also smells really nice. It smells really nice. This is body wash. It's also Bath and Body Works, and it's a body wash. So all the Bath and Body Works products, they smell really, really nice. This is also Bath and Body Works, and it's a spray. Don't mind me. Then this one is ordinary hyaluronic acid. I told you that this is like my favorite skincare, and yeah, this one was bought here in Nigeria. And then there's a whole bag of beauty products. Like there's a whole bag of makeup. This one was sent to me by my mom, and it's so cute. And there's a whole bag of it. As in, there are lashes, and they're so cute. So there's lash. There's a cute set of MAC brush, like 5 pieces brush, or sorry, 4 pieces with the bag, and then there's like lashes. This is so cute. This particular, this is the second one I have, so it's so cute. It's lash again, and then they are like another lash again, and then makeup, eyeshadow. I have 2 of these. So that's what is in this particular bag. So this particular bag is just basically makeup. Every single thing in here is makeup. Makeup, not make down. So what else is in the bag? The bag is just like a chest, a treasure chest that is not finishing. So I have this. Okay, I got this. This is what they call this thing again? Hair stick, basically one stick for your wig or ribbon. Then I have this strawberry lip scrub. I got it recently. I also got this one in trade fair, strawberry lip scrub, and I'm using it for my lips. I've not been faithful, I've been using it. Then because I got the nail dryer, I went ahead to when the day I was at trade fair, I also got gel polish, and these 2, I think these 2 now cost me about 3k or less for the 2 of them. And then I got a couple of nails while I was at it, because I mean, what's buying gel polish without buying the nails? I actually fixed this myself. It's not 100%, I'm not even going to lie. It's not 100%, but I did it myself because it was plain color and it was something I needed to do sharp for my video. So there are some cases like that where I need to do my nails like sharp to shoot a video, and I'll have to go and start meeting my nail tech or going fast. So I just decided to get all this so that I can do it. Then if I want to do like proper nail care, I'll go there. You get what I mean? So that is it. My bag is empty. My bag is empty. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And I was really excited about unbagging all this. And I said I was not going to just unbag and let it be for my eye only. I'm going to let you folks also see. So if you have questions about any of the products you saw here, you want to like probably know how to get them, how much they are. Most of them here are not from Nigeria. They were sent to me from the US. While some of them I got them here in Nigeria. So just let me know which of them you like. Not to give you you probably want info on any of them, let me know. And I'm also going to give you an update on how they work. Most of them are not really facial things, so I can't really say, but yeah, I'm going to give you an update on how most of them work. Yeah, and that's it. That is the end of my unboxing or unbagging. Now I know, guys, I just wanted to do this and do it for fun. So let me know if you found this video interesting, or if you fed your eyes with my skincare. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video and leave a lovely comment. Also, like I said before, I'm going to be doing a series where I'll be reviewing other fashion YouTube channels. So if you're interested in the review series, just let me know in the comment section and I'll put your channel under consideration. So see you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.